For the easy prevention and removal of chest wrinkles, Blumbody has created Décolleté Pads. Boast smooth and tightened skin after just one night of use. Before each application, make sure the target area is thoroughly clean, dry, and free of moisturizer or sunscreen. You can soak a cotton pad with micellar water, then delicately wipe across the chest area, as well as around the eyes and down to your cheeks. Remove the protective sheet from the pad and gently apply it on your chest, fixing it in place with your fingers. Make sure the pad is properly attached to your skin by eliminating any visible air bubbles. Apply the bonus eye pads on the outer corners of your eyes, where crow's feet wrinkles are forming. Wear the comfortable pads overnight while sleeping or during the day for at least 1 hour. In the morning, carefully detach the pads from your skin. After every 2 uses, it is important to clean the pads in order to remove dead skin cells which attach to their surface. Simply place the pads under running water and gently draw circles with your fingertips across the adhesive side. Place the pads back in their box, sticky part facing up, and let them air dry. Do not stick them back on the protective sheet as they will lose adhesion faster. Here's a bonus tip. The Blumbody Décolleté Pad is so comfortable that you can easily wear it under your clothes during the day, even while shopping or going out. Blumbody Décolleté Pads. Wear your tank tops and low-cut dresses with confidence.